Our next topic is solutions of difference equation. We know what is differential equations, d square y by dx square and so on. But what are the difference equations? See here, delta yn plus 2yn is equal to 0. This is delta power 1. Similarly, delta square yn plus 5 delta yn plus 6 yn is equal to 0. These are all difference equations. Now we are going to solve these difference equations. The solution of difference equation, suppose let this equation, this is difference equation. The solution of difference equation means the value of yn, the expression of yn which satisfies this equation is called solution of this difference equation. That means the expression for yn, the yn value kanukodame ee difference equation yokka solution. Okay, this is the general solution. Now we are going to find the general solution of this difference equation. The solution of this difference equation is nothing but find the value of yn. Okay, now the definition of linear difference equation. Linear means the linear difference equation is that which yn plus 1, yn plus 2, yn plus 3 and so on terms. In equation these terms are there. In the linear differential equation means these terms occur to the first degree అంటే పవర్ 1 మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి ఈ టర్మ్స్ కి ఓన్లీ అక్కర్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ డిగ్రీ ఓన్లీ అండ్ ఆర్ నాట్ మల్టిపుల్ టుగెదర్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ వి సెట్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఈస్ లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్. The difference equation is called homogeneous if f of n is equal to 0. Otherwise it is called non-homogeneous equation. That means for non-homogeneous equation function is not equal to 0. Now we see the working rule or working procedure for what? To solve the given difference equation. Okay, working procedure to solve given linear difference equation with constant coefficients by using Z transforms. Okay, suppose first step you let Z transform of yn is equal to means Z transform of y of n అని y of n రాయకుండా మనం అంటే ఇప్పటిదాకా మనం Z transform of f of n అని రాసాం కదా. In place of f we take y because the given equation is in y terms, y function. That's why in place of f we take y here. Only for difference equations. In solution of difference equation you let in place of f y of n. In last classes or first topics we see Z transform of f of n, but here Z transform of y of n there. Simply we write Z transform of y of n as Z of y of n. What is Z transform of f of n? ఏమని రాశారు అక్కడ f of z అని రాశారు, బట్ హియర్ Z transform of y of n కాబట్టి y of z. Okay, so the first step is Z transform of y of n is equal to y of z. Let this one. Next, let the Z transform to the both sides of given difference equation. Next, use this step. Z of y n is equal to y of z. Then use the initial value theorem steps. Z transform of yn plus 1 is z into y of z. You remember ma, Z transform of f of n plus 1 is z into f of z minus f naught అని పెట్టుకొని ఉంటాం అక్కడ. ఇక్కడ yలు అవుతాయి అవి. Z transform of yn plus 2 is z square y of z minus y of 0 minus y1 z square. So use minus y1 z inverse. Use these formulae in the equation and also you use the conditions also and simplifying, then find y of z. After finding y of z, take the z inverse on both sides to get the solution y of n. Okay, to get the solution y of n. Y of n, this gives y of n is a function of n which is nothing but the desired solution. This is the desired solution. These are the steps in solution of the linear difference equation. Problem, see the first one. Solve yn plus 1 minus 2yn is equal to 0 using Z transforms. Okay ma, what is the given difference equation? Yn, first step, given difference equation is yn plus 1 minus 2 into yn is equal to 0. What is the first step in procedure? Let Z transform of yn is equal to y of z. Here we have yn plus 1 is there in this one. Okay, Now write the formula. Z of yn plus 1 is equal to zy of z minus y naught. This is the formula. Here we have this one. Use the, let the z transform of given equation. This is given equation. Let z transform. What you get? Z of yn plus 1, z of yn plus 1 minus 2 into z of yn is equal to 0. And z of 0 is 0. Then use this formula. Z of yn plus 1 is equal to z into y of z minus y naught minus 2 into y of z is equal to 0. Here we have y of z term is z into y of z. Here minus 2 into y of z. Let y of z as common. Then you get y of z common is the z first term minus 2 second term. Okay. Then what is the remaining? Z into minus y naught, which is minus z y naught. It can be written as y of z z minus 2 is equal to z of y naught. Okay. Now y of z into z minus 2 is equal to, ఈ మైనస్ టర్మ్ ఈ సైడ్ వచ్చేసరికి z of y naught అవుతుంది. We need only y of z. Then this is y of z into z minus 2. Bring the RHS. You get y of z is equal to z into y naught by z minus 2. Y of z. Let z inverse on both sides. You get z inverse y of z is equal to z inverse z by z minus 2 into y naught. Y naught is some constant ma. వాళ్ళు కండిషన్ ఇస్తే ప్రాబ్లంలో y naught is equal to 1, 2, 3 అలా ఇస్తారు. ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి leave it. Just you note y naught. Now what is z inverse z by z minus a? This is equal to a power n. Okay. Now this one z inverse y of z is, you see here z of yn is equal to y of z. Z of yn is equal to y of z. Then ఈ z సైడ్ తీసుకొచ్చారనుకోండి, z inverse y of z is yn. కాబట్టి here z inverse y of z, in place of this you write yn is equal to z inverse z by z minus a form ఇది. So 2 power n ఇది, 2 power n into y naught. Here yn is the required value. Yn is called solution of the given difference equation. Okay, this is the solution of given difference equation. This is the solution of given difference equation.